Running a startup comes with a unique set of challenges, one of the biggest being how to manage finances effectively as the company scales. If you're a founder, you likely know the drill: tracking expenses, managing reimbursements, and trying to stay on top of accounts. It's a lot to juggle. But what if there was a way to simplify all of that, giving you more time to focus on growing your business instead of worrying about the numbers? Enter Ramp, a corporate card and spend management platform designed to save businesses both time and money. Ramp offers a robust set of tools that go beyond just being a business credit card. It's an all-in-one financial platform that streamlines your accounting, expense tracking, and payment processes. With features like automated expense tracking, AI-driven analytics, and high credit limits, it provides startups with the financial clarity and control that they need to thrive. In this review, we'll explore how the Ramp corporate card works, its key features, and whether it's the right choice for you and your startup. What is Ramp? At its core, Ramp is a corporate card and spend management platform that's designed to make financial management simpler and more efficient for businesses, especially startups. Unlike traditional credit cards, Ramp provides virtual and physical cards that integrate seamlessly with your accounting systems and offer automated spend controls. But it doesn't stop there. Ramp also offers powerful accounting automation, vendor management, expense reporting, and bill payment tools all in one platform. Ramp's design is user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for teams without a deep financial background. Businesses that switch to Ramp typically save on average of 5% in their first year, thanks to its intelligent automation tools and deep spend insights. Key features of the Ramp corporate card: no personal guarantee or credit check. Traditional business cards often require the business owner's personal guarantee, which means that if the business defaults, the owner's personal assets could be at risk. Ramp eliminates this concern, providing founders with the peace of mind that their personal finances will remain separate from their company's debts. Instead of relying on the owner's credit score, Ramp determines credit limits based on the business's cash balance. This is especially helpful for startups that may not have a lengthy credit history but still need access to flexible credit limits to support their growing needs. High credit limits based on cash flow. Ramp offers high credit limits, sometimes up to 30 times higher than what traditional banks offer. This is a game changer for startups that need capital to make large investments, such as purchasing equipment or covering operational expenses. Unlimited employee cards with full control. Managing employee spending can be a headache for many startups. With Ramp, that process is simplified. Ramp allows you to issue unlimited virtual and physical cards for your employees, so you never have to worry about sharing personal cards or keeping track of receipts manually. Each employee can have their own card with specific spending limits and restrictions based on their role or the type of purchase they need to make. Ramp also gives you complete control over spending with automated spending limits, category restrictions, and approval workflows. This makes it easy to stay on top of every transaction and ensure that employees stick to your company's spending policies. Automatic receipt matching and expense reporting. If you've ever had to manually process expense reports, you know how time-consuming and error-prone it can be. Ramp solves this problem by automating the receipt collection and expense tracking process. As soon as an employee makes a purchase, Ramp prompts them to submit their receipt via SMS or email. The platform then automatically matches the receipt to the corresponding transaction, saving you the headache of manual data entry. Ramp also integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks and NetSuite, making it easy to categorize expenses and reconcile accounts. This can significantly reduce the time it takes to close your books each month. AI-powered analytics to help save money. The platform uses AI-driven analytics to analyze your company's spending data and identify ways to cut costs. It scans for things like duplicate subscriptions, vendor price increases, and unclaimed rewards. The AI provides insights into whether you're overspending and helps you find more cost-effective solutions, whether that's renegotiating a contract or eliminating unnecessary subscriptions. For startups looking to keep costs under control, Ramp's AI-powered savings insights are invaluable. These insights can help you make smarter financial decisions and identify areas where you can save money without sacrificing quality or service. No interest or late fees. As a charge card, Ramp requires businesses to pay off their balance in full each month. This means that you won't incur interest charges or late fees, which can quickly add up with traditional credit cards. Valuable features for streamlined business operations. Ramp's all-in-one platform offers a host of valuable features that go beyond just a corporate card. The platform includes tools for bill payments, vendor management, and accounting accounting automation, all of which work together to simplify your financial operations. Whether you need to pay vendors via ACH, check, or card, Ramp lets you manage it all from one place. Ramp also integrates with over 1,000 software tools, making it easy to sync with your existing systems. This includes popular software like Slack, QuickBooks, and Xero, ensuring that Ramp fits seamlessly into your existing tech stack. Pricing and subscription plans. So Ramp offers several pricing plans tailored to businesses at different stages of growth. The free plan. The basic Ramp card remains completely free, offering essential features like unlimited virtual and physical cards, cash back rewards, expense management, and accounting automation. Ramp Plus, priced at $15 per user per month, and this plan unlocks additional features such as Slack integration, category-specific spending controls, and advanced ERP integrations, including NetSuite. Businesses that opt for annual billing can receive a 20% discount, bringing the cost down to $12 per user per month. And then there's Ramp Enterprise, which is designed for larger organizations, and this custom price plan includes premium features like dedicated account managers, quarterly audits, and SOX compliance for enhanced financial oversight. For most early-stage startups, the free plan provides all the essential tools needed to manage finances effectively. However, businesses seeking more advanced controls and integrations may find Ramp Plus a worthwhile investment, especially with the annual discount. Is Ramp right for your startup? So Ramp is an ideal solution for startups that need a simple, scalable way to manage their finances. Its no personal guarantee policy, high credit limits, and automated spend management make it particularly appealing for growing businesses that need more control over their expenses. With its expense tracking, bill payment features, and accounting automation, Ramp helps you close your books faster and reduces the time spent on manual financial tasks. However, if your startup is looking for luxury perks like travel rewards or exclusive event access, Ramp may not be the best fit. While it offers plenty of business-focused features, it lacks the premium perks found in some other corporate cards. So, if you're ready to take control of your startup's finances and streamline your expense management, Ramp is a powerful tool that can help you save time and money. With easy-to-use tools, real-time spending insights, and no personal guarantee, it provides businesses with the flexibility that they need to scale without getting bogged down by financial administrations. Now, if you want to get started with Ramp, you'll find a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.